In STYLECNC control system, how does the machine continue to operate after a sudden power outage? While the machine was in operation, I disconnected the power supply. This simulated a sudden power outage at the factory. After the machine loses power, the XYZ axes will stop at their current positions. The machine's cylinders will retract to their initial state. After the machine restarts, follow the basic procedures to return all axes of the machine to their home positions. In ZRN mode, click Start, and all axes will begin returning to their home position. Machine homing. After the machine has returned to its home position, click on the MEM mode. Only in MEM mode can you continue the previous work. You can find it directly here, line break. The system will automatically locate the code position before the machine powered off. Click OK. The machine will then start running. The machine will position itself 10 mm above the starting work position. After confirmation, click Start again. The machine will then continue its previous work. If the machine doesn't suddenly lose power, but you want to start running from a specific line in a file, you can click here and enter the number of the line you want to start from. Alternatively, you can choose to start from a specific tool number. If your file contains the corresponding tool number, the system will automatically locate that tool, replace it, and begin working. Thank you for watching. There are many more features waiting for you to test.